bright days on the school bus. Monday rides the yellow bus, waves and smiles at all of us. Bag on back and shoes so tight. Monday says, let's learn and write. Tuesday sings a happy tune, la la la, from morn till noon. Claps his hands and taps his feet. Tuesday makes the ride so sweet. Wednesday reads an ABC book, turns each page and takes a look, counts the stars and numbers too. Wednesday says, I can do. Thursday draws with crayons bright, red and blue and green so light. Circles, squares, a shining sun. Thursday says, art is fun. Friday cheers and laughs out loud, jumps and shouts with all the crowd. Weekend's coming, Friday cries, happiness shines in his eyes. Saturday comes with games to play, slides and swings the whole long day, runs and jiggles in the park. Saturday plays till it's dark. Sunday comes calm, soft and slow, family hugs in a gentle glow. Reads a story, rests all day. Sunday whistles